In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom left corner to add a video file first. Now, if you want to add one that was recently created, you'll be able to find it here. So click on it and send it right away. If you can't find it though, don't worry, click on the same icon and this time swipe down to hit Photos at the bottom left corner. This way you'll be able to access Gallery app and pick your video from it. So tap on it, hit Add at the bottom right corner and swipe up to check if it was added to your message. Then you can send it right away. Now, if you wanna create a video and add it, tap on the same icon one last time and operate all of those options here. Make sure to switch from photo to video, then record it, and when you're ready, finish it. It will be automatically added to your message. Now, what about an audio file? You can either create it or add already existing one. To create it here, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner, click on middle button to start recording, and the same one to end it. Now you can listen to it, and if you won't like it, hit restart on the left. If you wanna add it, attach on the right. If you wish to add already existing audio file, use plus icon on the left, tap on Files section, and look for your audio file by accessing one of those apps, by tapping on Audio at the top to see it here, or what most people miss, by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and look for your file in any of those sources, like downloads. Either way, when you find it, tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!